Connecting Shopify to Looker Studio allows you to visualize and analyze e-commerce data from your Shopify store. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. Open Looker Studio. Log in. Go to datastudio.google.com and sign in with your Google account. Create or open a report. Select an existing report or create a new one. Add Shopify data source. Add the data source. Click on Add the data source from the report editor. In the Connect to Data panel, search for Shopify. If it's not available, you might need a third-party connector like Supermetrics, Data Studio Shopify connector, or use Google Sheets as an intermediary. Authenticate and connect. Click on the Shopify connector. You may need to authenticate by logging into your Shopify account and granting permission for Looker Studio to access your Shopify data. Configure data source. Select the Shopify store you want to connect to. Choose the data you wish to import, such as orders, products, or customer data. Use data. Create visualizations. Drag and drop fields from the Shopify data source to build charts, tables, and other visualizations. Save and share. Save. Click Save to preserve your report. Share. Use sharing options to collaborate with others.